तो आज मैं आपको यूपी की न्यूज़ के बारे में बताना चाह रहा हूँ। अफगान वार्न किंग शेयर ट्रेडिंग ऑन अपडेट February 2000 study for us update Muslim group betrayed Taliban increase Afghan possibility Arsenal के beat Afghan father of US drone strike victim say God will take revenge. Reaction come after Washington's announcement that nobody will be punishment for deadly mission. USA Taliban was reporting killed submarine killing. Taliban government USA Taliban took power in Afghanistan in August. USA backed government in Kabul. Our country military collapsed. The United States on Saturday let a group Western nation and allies condemnation of the Taliban over the summary killing of former members of Afghan security forces report by rights groups demanding quick investigation. We are deeply concerned by reports of summary killing and enforced disappearance of the former members of the Afghan security forces as documented by Human Rights Watch and others. Read a statement by the United States, the European Union, Australia, Britain, Japan, and others, which was released by the State Department. We underline that the enactment occasion costing serious human sorry ज़रा गला ख़राब है इसलिए तो आप माइंड ना करें। अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो बेल आइकन को दबा दें और मेरा चैनल प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दें। Thank you. Early this week, Human Rights Watch released a report that space documented the summary execution on enforcement disappearance of 47 former members of Afghan National Security Forces, the military personnel, police, and intelligence agents. We have generated to or were targeted by Taliban forces from mid-August through PTI government planning assault on Sindh House and Gens PP. PML and plans counterweight of PTI reduction might increase completion period of project to more than 11 years. McKim delegation also calls on Shehbaz Fazal record-breaking Babar App their best of our Pakistan. Russia warns USA having the might. Babar Azam record-breaking Babar Azam. Pakistan captain Babar Azam has long established he is created creates in the long form of the game too. Thank you.